Hi, my name is Sabrina Snyder. I'm a product marketing manager for WireMold as part of Legrand, and I'm also part of our outdoor power team. I'm here today to talk to you about a brand new permanent outdoor power product. That is our outdoor mobile device charging station. This product is designed to be able to bring power into outdoor spaces where people have the desire to be more productive and more mobile. Think about how many people today you see in different types of spaces using mobile phones, tablets, laptops, and they all need to charge them everywhere and at any time. Think especially about higher education facilities, corporate campuses, even outdoor retail facilities. This is a huge opportunity for you to think about how you can use this product to really change the game in your area. Okay, so before we get into the product details, let's take a look at the video. Please note that this video is available for you to download online and use in your sales calls. Okay, so as you saw in our video today, there are three types of outdoor mobile device charging station. The first one that I'd like to focus on is our charging station with accent light. Now I call this an accent light, but really you could think of it as an indicator light or even a locator light. It's basically a small LED that allows you to find and use the station after dark. This is really what we consider to be the flagship portion of the line. We think it will be the most popular version of charging station. You can see that below the lit up area, there's actually a door. So you slide the door area open, you can expose the outlets inside. Now as we look inside the door area, you can see in terms of capacity, we offer both 2-gang and 3-gang versions. If you choose to do a pre-wired version, you can choose 4-port USB receptacles or tamper-resistant GFCI receptacles. If you choose to do an unwired version, you could then populate that with whatever devices you may like. There are limits, however, in terms of amperage, so we recommend 20 amp devices, which is what we use, or you could use 15 amp. Unfortunately, the pedestal cannot accommodate 30 amp devices. Now moving on to finishes. The stations are available in 3 different finishes as a standard option. That's silver, bronze, and black. These finishes are powder coated and extremely durable. All the stations are NEMA 3R rated, weather resistant, and able to be used in the US and Canada. Now we're showing this only with those standard options, but we do offer a number of different custom finishes. So if you choose to do, for instance, we've seen a lot of colleges wanting to do school colors or school logos, we can accomplish all of that as well. Okay, so beyond finishes, we also have a number of different accessories. Now we're showing this with only power options included, but you could also choose to add AV or data communications connectivity. We offer an accessory called an AV kit that allows you to take a 3-gang unwired version and populate it with 1 gang of AV or low voltage devices and 2 gangs of power. You could also choose to add shelves to this product if you'd like. So the shelves could hold your mobile device while it's charging. They're available in pairs in either black or silver. Another accessory we offer is replacement doors. So these are perfect if you'd like to replace your existing color match doors. You could use a transparent door or a lockable door. The lockable door is ideal if you want this to be dedicated for facilities team use. Maybe you want only the facilities personnel to be able to access power. You want to make sure no one unauthorized can access it. You could replace your existing door with a lockable door. The other option is a transparent door, which allows you to easily identify this charging station as a charging station versus any other outdoor lighting element. So we started off talking about the charging station with accent light. I wanted to take a couple of minutes and talk about the other 2 models at this time. The first is the power pedestal. This version is about 3 feet in height, and it's designed to be used in areas where you may have existing furniture in place and you want it to be more hidden or blend in with the environment. Because it's smaller, it actually works really well next to tables. It's at tabletop height. Or you could actually use this in spaces where you want to dedicate this for the facilities team to access the power. Maybe you want to use it for lawn equipment or something like that. You could place this in landscaping or in another area where it remains hidden. The second model that we wanted to discuss is the charging station with area light. It basically allows you to replace an existing bollard and have an area light or a pathway light along with charging capabilities in the same product. So this is a great option for facilities where maybe you already have bollards in place and you want to simply add a few of these charging stations in with your existing bollards. Other areas where you might use the charging stations include outdoor dining facilities, outdoor hospitality or hotel areas, even places like outdoor pool areas or rooftops. More and more we see especially urban facilities wanting to build rooftop areas for social spaces, dining areas, pool areas. Certainly MDUs and residential facilities are really taking advantage of this opportunity. The charging station is a great way to provide power in those types of spaces. So if you're looking for more information, make sure you check out our website. And if you have questions, please reach out to your Legrand representative in your territory to help you work on some of these opportunities.